Hello, we are back at it again, and we're going on a camping trip. This is the camp so far. Oh wait, we need some lights. Okay, that's better. Here's our setup. We got all our tools. We got entertainment and bowls, fire, matches, camp fuel, lighter, and here's our tarp. And then our Yeti cooler and our tent, piece of wood to hold up the lamp. We're waiting for the fire to catch up, and after that we'll have a fire. And we're about to set up the tent in a little bit. So far we got our wood to burn. It's catching up now. Now all we have to do is unpack our snacks, unpack our sleeping bags, unpack our tent, and we'll be ready to go. We'll be ready to camp. Currently I'm in the tent. We have everything set up. This is how it looks around. You got everything set up, chargers right here. Everything set up. Lantern outside, fire over there. Heater in the corner, headlights in the corner. Sleeping bag for me, sleeping bag for my dad. And we also have our pillows. So it's all set up.
Just saying them both.
We're currently making hot cocoa now. Because what is better than hot cocoa on a cool night? In November, in the winter.
Need to go get the gas can.
The only thing that could be better is a heater. But we have fire and we have hot cocoa. So it's gonna be a pretty good night. Okay, so now we're putting the blaze in here. And there we go. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. Anyways, here's our hot chocolate. Sorry about the technical difficulties earlier in the house exploding. But here's our hot chocolate. May made our hot chocolate. Our fire's burning better now. So we have all of that set up. My dad's roasting me one because I don't really know how to do it. But I think it's gonna be pretty good. By the way, this fire feels really good. It's warm. And my marshmallow is finished, so I'm about to eat that. Pretty good marshmallow. How you feeling about this camping trip?
I like everything about it. Great time.
I do too. Okay, so now I'm at the side view and well, I have it like a wider view and I don't have to do as much editing anymore because at first I had to zoom in the videos, but now that I have it at a wider view, I don't have to do as much editing and zooming in anymore. So And we also have the heat set up in the tent, and we zipped it up so the heat would accumulate in there. But other than that, it was a pretty good camping trip. And we don't have to come back outside to the fire to get any heat because we have heat inside the tent.
Hey, Zay been doing all the editing and videoing today. It's late. We're about to hit these sleeping bags, so we'll holler at y'all in the morning and let you know how the rest of this camping trip is going. Peace.
Okay, so here's an edit. The rain got bad around 3 or 4 in the morning, and that's why I woke back up while it was dark, even though we were supposed to be asleep. But continue to watch what happened in the rain pouring down.
Bet that water put that fire out.
Oh yeah.
Bet that water put that fire out.
We woke back up because rain came around. Pretty loud. It got pretty bad. But in the forecast it was a storm. A thin line of storm that came back. So that's why it's raining so bad.
Day 2. Good morning. Got on up this morning. Started the fire. We decided to come on out here and do a little nature camping because we had the free time to do it, and you know, we're kind of quarantining, so not really being around much family, but it'll be good to come on out and be in nature and just really be thankful for the roofs that are over our head and the food that we have to eat daily, and you know, our health and strength, and you know, all the things that we should be thankful for. But we just wanted to come on out and make a camping trip out of it and just kind of be in nature. We're kind of documenting what we do, so you'll see it. We got the 5-course breakfast this morning for Thanksgiving. What does it include, Zay?
Fruity Pebbles, marshmallows, a bowl, milk, and a spoon. All right, good morning. It's morning, and I just woke up. My dad is over here. We have our set up. Gonna say good morning.
Good morning.
And we just woke up. So now we have more light, and we're about to explore the forest. So see you when that happens. I'm riding my bicycle now on the dirt road. I'll show how it looks from the front view. Nice view. Here is where I rode back to my original campsite, where my tent and my fire and everything else is. And yeah.
Hey, we just got back on the bikes, and we tired, man. We're tired. We're doing this trail and all these hills. What you think, Zay?
I'm tired.
We'll check back in later. And we decided to take the truck on out to ride around these trails, kind of see where they lead to, man. This forest so big.
It is.
We don't even know what all out here. We out here sleeping. We don't even know.
Well, we could be around.
Now we did see I saw a deer when we were coming, and we saw some hunters shooting. I mean, well, not saw, but heard some hunters shooting. So they out here hunting. I guess we need to be safe, huh?
Yeah. And now I'm about to do a time lapse of our view and what we see. Go back to our campsite. Now we're cooking ribs. And when they're finished cooking, we're gonna see how good they taste. The ribs look pretty good. They're golden brown. I think they're about ready to eat.
We got our food, the ribs, the macaroni and cheese, and the baked beans. We're gonna go for a trail walk a little later on. It's about to get dark. We won't have too many more hours of sunlight. We just decided to go for a little walk, kind of see what was back here. Of course, we ain't gonna run into no deer, I don't think. Not this early in the evening. Maybe after sundown. Hey, we walking out here on this trail. There's a lot of forest out here, man. I'm hoping we won't run into any snakes or deer or anything, but if we do, I don't want none. We got the fire set up, lantern going. We're about to take it on in. It's the end of the day. We enjoyed this camping trip, and hopefully we'll be able to do it again soon. Now, if you all have any questions about anything we did, hit us up. We'll definitely tell you, you know, what we brought and what we did to get ready for it. But hey, we enjoyed it. I'll let y'all later on.